Good evening. It has been a long time. I didn't talk in my video. I didn't make a video. So today I am going to talk about the website content management. I want to show you how I explore a way that I can use AI to do fast content generation with a simple strategy with WordHero AI and here and some other tools for the content optimization. You have to know that it's not easy to start a brand new website that you can continue to write more contents. Like if you build a good structure, so you know where you need to be adding more contents. Like if I write a war hero here, so this link, so I know I need to write this part of pieces for this URL. But in fact, at the beginning, I was going to write another piece of contents, like here overview, like one piece of overview. So one piece is functionalities, and then some introduction and how to find and apply keywords for your post, something like this. But I didn't. So, but I kept this for reminding myself that this article is not finished yet. It is just finished in this simple way, and this is totally like 80% is generated by the WordHero AI, and then I just you know add this sentence and a small pictures here and a link to the other URL. So maybe this is not a good page, but it has the click and it has Google rank. So I don't know, maybe sometimes I worry too much, right? So today I will think about what I have learned from this website and if I can do a new website in the same situation. Like I also use Driller Builder to do another website, or maybe in the future I will use WordPress for another website. So what should I do? What should be doing in the right way in the first at the very beginning? So it made me think. Then I made a mind map for my thinking. I like to do mind map for my thinking to organize my ideas. Yeah. So regarding the management content, so at the very first beginning, I want to introduce the content series. I know it's a new concept to me too. Maybe I will write an article for this part. And also the latency mantis. The latency mantis I had already write a blog. For this video, I will maybe have several blogs to support this video. So you can watch the video and then you can have some ideas to do your own website. Maybe I think it's good for the beginners to do their new websites in this video. And maybe for some um, old websites, you can have some uh, ideas to improve. I hope so. So I only do internal link building. Maybe you check my website. This website is like aicontahacker.com. It has the SEM rush. So let's try and SEM rush. Maybe here. Login. So Google login. Yes. So let's AI content. Hacker.com. So you can see this DA10. Yeah. 4 months old is DA10. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the link building because backlink is something new to me and people will not share their skills or something like that. But I don't want to spend too much time on it, and I just build a few backlinks. And I don't have a nature or organic traffic here to show. Just some keywords ranking situation here. So this is my link. I did follow some ideas, and other people maybe this website they copy my videos and they leave my website links there. So I have a bad link maybe thanks to this nice guy. Okay. All right then. We back to the website structure. Now I am talking this kind of a structure. So this is the content silos. Like if I do a website page like this, AI content like this, you can see this with Google Ads here, like this one. So you have several links. This one has bad links to this page. Other pages that link to these pages. So this is their pattern, right? Has for instance daughters like this, you know. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This like isolated island. So I think that's what serious mean to me. Okay. And I will not link this one to the homepage because I am a freshman to the backlink. So I don't think, and even the link building, I am quite new. So I would keep it simple in this way. That's what I'm talking about and what I will be practicing in my future. Maybe at least it will last for a year. Yeah. So this one is okay. So this is the internal link building I am going to tell you. Then for the AI templates, so is to lighting the content very fast. Like I do the what is format, how to format, product review format, product comparison format. I already shared many parts in the Facebook group within the WordHero AI group. So you might have written some kind of these articles with the WordHero AI, maybe, but let's see. Let's see. One of these articles I newly update. Maybe it's not from the homepage. The homepage here, here, product review. So this page is like the product review. So you can copy this and paste to your WordHero AI. Then you know what is going to be like for this Yeah, maybe next time I do another video for this process. Okay, and this way maybe I have to update all of this with the Google Doc. Then you can click and copy, and then let's go for the contributing in an easy way. Might be like I tested this morning. I produced like 700 words within 10 minutes. Yeah. So I add the one picture, one YouTube video link, um, and then I copy the link to Google Search Console. And guess what? After 2 hours later, I mean in Chinese time, um, in the morning, I, I was requesting the Search Console for indexing my content. So two of them are indexed because I only requesting for two. So they both got indexed. So maybe the content is like one is the what is type, one is how to type, and it's only 20 minutes for one article, including finding keywords are do the content generation and editing. So how easy is that? And if all of this I keep practicing, maybe in the future, 100 articles a month for one niche, for one website, maybe only a week. Yes, I have confidence. I have confidence with it, and I am going to take this as my goal. And so let's talk more about the details. So firstly, we have to think about when I build a website, the first thing come to me is how I am going to build a menu, how I am going to show to people the first impression of my website. What is the menu is going to be? So the homepage is there, yeah, okay. So the navigation pages, what will be the navigation pages, and what will be the blog pages? Because I mainly do affiliate marketing, so there always be a spot for the blogs. So I am thinking maybe I should try something different than others. Maybe I should try something new. So I will try introduce my blog later. In the first place, so they are telling me so this website overall have a general SEO goal. It has a top of the all things that will be a level zero keywords. Yeah, that's the like the pyramid, the top at the pyramid. So the topic keywords, what will be the topic keywords? And then from this topic keywords, how are we how to find some like subtopic keywords for from this niche? Yeah, that's problem for me at the beginning. Yes, I think, and when I built this website, it's really a mess. Then I want to put everything together. I wanted to. So at the beginning, I put WordHero as my uh, first spot here, maybe. and then I put another tools here, maybe something like this. I think it's not going to be okay because I can only promote the tools without telling people how to use the tools, uh, how are the tools working differently from others. So maybe I should provide some resources like tips and tricks and templates and checklists for others. Yeah. And now maybe I want to improve another pieces like this. How I am going to help people with other things. Something like this. I am step by one step. I figure a way. So I put this like tools are here and the content AI content. So maybe I use the tools to generate content. So what will be the content going to be optimized? Yeah, I don't know. And maybe some tools, special tools like AI copywriters, what will be the uh, functions and how to use them, and what will be the, you know, tutorial for this kind of stuff. Yeah, something like this. So I will do a review for this, and that's okay. Like people love this kind of stuff. So and then I got this, but I had a problem because I think this navigation page, this was navigation pages. They they should have each of them should have a focus keywords. So what will be the keywords? Maybe I would say that I picked another keywords regardless of anything. But I listened to at least some of the big players. They said that should be focused on a topic and then a short subtopic, and then so many target keywords under the subtopic, you know. So the topic, the main topic, I place on the first homepage. Yeah. So it's like uh, content marketing and Google ranking. So AI generated content marketing, something like that. Maybe AI generated content Google ranking. This is my purpose, but I missed them in a very weird outline, you know. But anyway, I just put it here, no matter what. Then so the navigation has the subtopics. I decided I don't want to go wide. Then I spend a lot of content of time to manage different keywords. I don't focus on keywords. My entire website, I want to focus on a topic. And this is the topic, better AI, generated content marketing and Google ranking. So I basically, in other words, I basically want to introduce some AI tools. So these AI tools are able to produce the content. And then this content can be optimized by other AI tools. In this case, so far for now, I use WordHero for my content creation, and similar content pro and WordHero for these two AIs for the content optimization and improve my Google ranking. Both of them are maybe these three AI tools are working together for the Google ranking. I think so. So this is my intention for my website, and this is the work I want to keep going. And so I write it and improve it. But in the last 4 months, I only produce like a 34, 32 maybe for 8 articles 1 month. So in average, 2 articles are 2 blogs 1 week. I think it's not okay. At least for me, it's not okay. But at the beginning, I will slow down and think about this. Now I am having this mind map, and I am going to generate more blogs, more contents, introduce maybe more tools, doing more comparison for improving my skills, something like that. And maybe some studies about what is the best SEO strategy for people like me, like the beginning the blog posts and try to make money from it and something like this. I think 100 in like 3 months at least. Maybe for this website it's okay. So navigation page 1, 2, 3, 4. Like one of my fish tank website, I am going to like this one. So sub pages and navigation, this drop down menu like this. So the blog pages, I am going to write something brief intro, something like this. So let's see my blogs. For this part, I don't do like listing the posts uh, in a random way, something like a lot of posts here, like a listing. I made this article, I like an article. So what is AI? Then I introduce, right? Then then I introduce. In fact, AI tools. I used to tell you that my entire website is going to help people and share what I learned. And maybe some people will disagree with me. Then, wow, I love it because they are telling me the opposite way I can do better. Yeah, I love the feedback. So I share what I learned, and people also share what they learned. Then we grow together. And for me, the first article category is AI writer. So I introduced these tools for AI writing. Like this one is telling people if you like the AI and you want to add some words, so you can use this tool to help you. Yeah. And then for this, I content related, I do a review for this content related. And this, I was very excited about the block paragraphs when they are doing the beta test. I love it. Now it's quite better now. Yeah, I can live without it. And the next one is like templates and checklists. So when people have this, if they like my video or maybe my blogs, they buy the tools like they pay for the WordHero AI, and then they want to use the tools. And so I have earned money from them. So I think I should offer some help. Then I share my tips and skills for 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 the same tools. So this one is another category. Help them use the tools. Yeah. And when they produce the tools, there's an issue like it's not ranking, or maybe they're worried about the content is difficult to read, or maybe the content is not indexed by Google. What should they do? And it happened to me too. So at the beginning, I use the AI. I request the Google Search Console to index and maybe rank my articles, but no, nothing happened. So I find out maybe I should use some other tools to improve a little bit and maybe add some latent semantic words to this article. So Google think, yeah, you are telling the exact topic and exact you are focusing on the keywords. So maybe I should rank your content. That's the way I find out because sometimes your content just don't rank because you use AI to write and you think people might get interested, but the Google is not thinking in your way. They calculate the people, the reading data, so they think you should mention something else. Like I talk about setting up a freshwater fish tank. I mentioned a lot of process, but I missed to mention what should you do before setting up and what should you do after setting up. And maybe the content will not run because there are so many important parts are missing in my content. So I use other tools to monitor, to improve, to optimize my content. So this is what I'm going to tell people, and then you can know. So I write a lot of things about this stuff. Okay, then also how AI can help with the SEO. Then I made a checklist for the people so they can check uh, whether the AI is helping them in the right way. Maybe if they don't feel helpful for their creation or maybe their writing, they can check this like, okay, this part I am doing right and the other part I am not doing right. Maybe somewhere I am doing totally wrong. Like this page I am not ready. So this page sucks. It really sucks. And maybe I should improve this one. Because it actually this article is really make me thinking this moment. Because when I was thinking about what to do these keywords are the main keywords. So no, the leading segment says you need to write over 3,000, maybe 5,000 words for these articles. And you need to provide a document to be downloaded by people and some many other different keywords for the people. Maybe. So I think I should narrow down this checklist. Maybe I should narrow down the checklist when it's not like on page SEO. It's like writing with the AI checklist, something like this. Yeah. Then it will match my entire content. Then I write more than the UIS. Or maybe I should take this far as on page like like on page SEO checklist, and I develop it in a large content, something like this. And this part will be a small part of this entire content, maybe. So you can see that this is the pages. This is the pages and the blogs. They are quite different. So I think I should do the on-page SEO checklist for this, you know. So I messed up. It's a totally big mistake. I really think in this way. So the keywords should have layers, maybe. So the home page is the big picture. So the navigation page, a smaller spot within the big picture, right? It's taking like this is the country, right? Like this is United States. So the navigation is telling you subtopics. This is California, like California, Florida. Another is California, Florida, Michigan, something like that. So we divide the big cake into pieces and then divide a smaller one. But how to divide? This is the trick. This is the most important part. At the beginning, I think, yeah, I write it and then write another one, piece by piece. But later, I stopped writing because I think there are too many things. Also, I am worried a lot of things, how they are organized, and will I repeat some content myself if I like too much? And then the Google thing, you are stuffing, you are doing keyword stuffing, like the content is going to compete with each other. So maybe I should do it in this way. I write a piece of like what is, and another piece of how to, and another piece is product review, and another piece product comparison. So what is we put it in a sales funnel view, right? This funnel, what is part is on top of everything. What like let's take WordHero as an example. WordHero, this page, yeah. So this page is exactly telling what is WordHero AI writer. So I answer it. It is an AI writer that with the unlimited content generator. So so this is going to make people aware. So it is the WordHero AI. Okay. Maybe okay they understand and they leave. So when people want to know more about this, so they know so like if they want to know what Hero AI, then okay, they stop here, okay. Or maybe they visit Hero AI office website, so they want to know more about it. So they click here and they leave. This is exactly why I introduce AIDA principle here, because people are going to uh, perform for this kind of actions in my website. So they know they got the answer. They want to know what is working like that. And maybe I rank on top of top 10. So they or maybe I post a blog on Facebook or on Twitter, they want to know and they learn, they go away. So okay, I just want to know what it is. So when they want to know, so they know it, and they want to know how to use this to write some piece of content. Okay, then they have an interest. Okay, then I should learn about what AI can write for you. I can do this file is not finished. You know, this file is far more than finished, but I just let it go. So for the near future, I will update this file. So here I introduce them how to create long form article with the WordHero AI. So when they read to they keep reading, right? They keep right to this part. So they have an interest. So I have another article to write how to use this WordHero AI. This is the problem. Yeah. So I have another articles, but they are all organ here. They are under this one, under the concept, under the keywords AI content generator. You know, right? All right. So this is the subtopic of my website, right? So next, desire. So they would want to, okay, this one is cool. Okay, I know how to write it. So overall, this AI, how about this AI in a general way? So are you what are other parts? In here I just introduced them with lot of editors like this. I just introduce them to make money. Another how to, right? So they will have the interest to use this too. So there are actually two how to editors for one subtopic. Yeah. And I can tell you, they are available to use the same template to learn in the same way, in a similar way, and a quicker way. Like only half an hour, I can produce an article like this if I keep practicing. Because WordHero will generate. I use WordHero to write WordHero, right? The AI is writing itself. So the six, six parts are generated by WordHero AI. I just put those into the blog paragraphs, something like that, and then you generate the content and copy and paste to here. Half an hour, done. Yeah, this one is like so. And in the what is part, I also introduce people to use WordHero AI to try and like here I would use maybe this part is already an action part, but let's not argue for the clarification. So I take this part product review as desire. So I want to know, okay, what about you need? Like what I am using this WordHero AI to write an article. So they will have to hear. And if they have the patience, and then they have another tools to consider, maybe another AI to consider like the JSP. So I will do a product comparison regarding the JSP. Okay, like exactly I did it in my homepage. Yeah. So I use these contents to do the product comparison. I did not do a long article to do the comparison because the first page, the first page, when I have another video on my YouTube showing you I should use this AI in my homepage for my specific keywords. Yeah, the AI tells me everything. So I use it here no matter what. So I did it. So the product comparison is another making people, another article or another piece of content making people to take actions. Yeah. So this is AIDA principle, AIDA principle. So this is the AI templates. Yeah. As I mentioned before, the whole pages, the whole navigation is also using this part of like writing process. If even like at the beginning, so I have some website menu ideas. I will use. Okay, I have one concept. So what is AI content like this? So how in the first place, what is AI generated content? Okay, I answer here. Okay, well then what is AI generated content marketing? So marketing I answer is here SEO friendly content. So what is AI generated content Google ranking? Okay. So SEO content optimization. What is free voice? So I answer here. So and how to do it? Of course I use AI to do it. So I introduce each of these and then how to do it is within this content. This is what is WordHero AI, then another layer, right? So this is the keywords layers. But I just repeat this process. I just use the same template to write. So the keywords is already here. The topic keywords is set up. It's set, right? So it's fixed. No changing. So the subtopic, okay, already set, right? So this topic, I write one line, line one for this. Okay, the subtopic, subtopic line two, and then another subtopic, line three, okay, line four, yeah. Because each of the subtopic, you have one keyword. So we will explain what is this keywords, what is this meaning, right? How to use it, how to use this product, how to use these stuffs. Okay. So let's write a review about this. Is it good? Is it bad? What is the pros and what is the cons? Any features you need, any advantage you want to take, any benefits you would love so much, all there. And then, oh, when people saying, I have another options. So what will be the difference? So we do another comparison. And I link them to one page, like subtopic 1, 2, 3. You link back to this. You mentioned the top keywords. So in this page is mention the homepage, this page a homepage, this page homepage, all of them. And then we will see the subtopic we will have like we will explain it. What is like like the top of the the subtopic. Let's see here with WordHero AI. Right? Then we will answer what is WordHero AI, and then it's like a AI keyword generator. So I have the target keywords here. So it's a smaller or a different keywords related to the subtopic keywords WordHero AI. Or the or this page is WordHero AI pages like AI content generator. Yeah. So I use another subtopics like this one, how to create a long form article. Long form article is another what is another long of this uh, template that is part of the whole process. So I just find the bigger keywords, smaller one, bigger keywords, round one, smaller one, round two. The smallest one, round three. Another does the same. So in the content part, I will say this part will be attracting people to write, to read. I write something like maybe cheek, like a bigger searching volume, and then how to maybe focus on a smaller and low competition keywords. And this one desire maybe a specific requirement or some kind of angles people would love to read. And comparison is like bringing two products together. In this view, maybe the product we want A versus B will be already a keyword for us to use. Something like that. So in general, this kind of structure will be my major structure for my future writing with the WordHero AI and optimize the content with the other AIs. And once again, I want to mention that I only want to use three of them as my major tool for my content creation. Yes, I have already invested on other tools, but I don't think we need so much tools for the beginning stage. If people want to start a blogging career, so they want to spend a little money, maybe a limited time doing this. I am doing it now because I want to quit my job maybe next year. So I like half a year later, maybe a year later, maybe, I'm not sure. So I would use a limited budget but unlimited ideas to catch up with others, to bring the farthest content creation, to create the best quality content, compete with others, and offer people the most satisfied reading experience. And then I help people and I make money in this way. So I would love to keep it simple. And at the last part, I want to check it out. So this part, this part, one one block, two blocks, three blocks, four blocks, and five blocks. Maybe this one together. Oh, five blocks together. One, two, three. So keyword mapping in a website. Or this one, two, three. I think they can be together. And explaining my strategy and use the re- repeating workflow to do my job in a quick way. But we can achieve the content series. And it is to build let's say, or maybe another one, own topic for it. So it's relating to Google's EAT, expertise, quality, trust. If we offer so many things about AI writing, AI writers, what is it, how to do it, what is good, what is bad, and what is the difference. So people can learn a lot of things from us, and they can also use the same tools. So I will be glad that I help people, right? When they buy something to improve their blogging, so I will have money. No worry. So like this, I already have Google AdSense. I just tested. So maybe in the future, I have many people visit my websites, and then I can get money from Google, right? So no need to worry about too much about content creating. I just follow the simple mindset and do the work in a simple way and repeat it like what I used to do for other work. I mean, we should, you know, maybe AI content. One is before I think, uh, during writing, after writing. Yes, this is to keep the our content to be indexed and ranked. by Google. So we need to some special things. Yeah. So let's knock down one. But this one is already written. Two, topic portfolio. Three, then link building. Four, writing templates. Once for all, I like to have a conclusion for maybe summarize it for the four of them. That's five. This is six. This is seven. Maybe my mapping seven. Maybe this is seven. Like you want to start a website. The first thing you need to build a menu. Yeah, and then you have a menu. You need to think about the keyword layers. Yeah, this is might be another seven. So this one will be number eight. Yeah, no. So you can see I have new articles to be listened. Just one mind map. Eight, at least eight. Maybe I have a top keywords. Maybe I should write something like overall content management, website content management. So we'll be bring all of this into one. So 9 articles together. I need to write. Maybe from the very beginning, from this one. And maybe no, this one. Then I leave the sports. I maybe do some link to other experts to so they can learn something at the beginning. This one I should link to Kyle Loops or Dick Magnet. Uh, yeah. I can do that. Or maybe not. I would do the article like how to realize with the AI. Yeah, the concept is easy. So what do I do is use AI, use templates to do it. You want to leave and go for this templates page, something like that. It doesn't need to be very long. I can make it a short but useful articles to make points. Okay, all right. That's all I want to say. So when you want to create a new website, you can think about what I share, and then using the same tools, follow the same templates, same process. Yeah, do it over and over again. Then your content will be connecting with more and more content series, and you will have more topic authorities, and then your ranking will be better. More people will come to you. More money will be earned. And best wishes for all of us. Thank you.